So, sakay na kami ng chopper! Helicopter!
Hello guys, great day.
Naka-withdraw ka, sir?
Alright, so right now is babiyahe kami papuntang helicopter dito sa Boracay. So we want to experience the ride here in Boracay by Chopper together with Carlo. We're so very excited to experience. So later on, we will show you, okay, and we will tell you how we experience, no? Napakaganda for sure. Okay, magiging sulit itong rides namin ngayon. Kami lang dalawa so far. Kasi yung iba naming mga kasamahan takot. Okay? Takot sa ride at buko doon. Takot sa gastos.
Yes! So, sakay na kami ng chopper! Helicopter! First time, grabe to. Nakaka-excite.
Life is this. I like this.
All that I want is for you to be happy. Give me a chance to show that you can be. Well, open your eyes and see the way I see. 'Cause all that I want is for you to be happy with me.
Tapos na kaming mag-ride ng Chopper experience. Another experience, adventure natin dito sa Boracay.
Worth it yung Boracay.
Worth it yung Boracay. Hindi, Magastos Island.
Magastos na ilan.
Hindi siya Boracay Island, Magastos Island. Okay. Ganon siya ka ganda. Experience, di ba? So, ganon yung ganon yung buhay na nag-aantay sa bawat isa na sasabay dito sa community natin sa Your Online System. Okay? So, dapat ma-experience po din yung na-experience namin para at least na maganda.
Sa lahat ng part ng community, wala ka nang ibang gagawin eh. Hataw ka na lang.
Hataw na lang. Okay? Tapos ma-experience mo yung mga ganong ride.